I'm in my kitchen. I'm just going to make something to eat. So I thought, oh, maybe I should just make a video about how to use the pressure cooker to cook the rice. Okay, the power is on. Now I have the rice cooker right here. What I'm going to do is get one of these. Sorry, I'm just going to use this. 1 cup, it says it's 200 ml, and I think usually it's like 1 cup, it should be 220 something, but I'm just going to use this. This is my rice, and I also have a measurement on here. It doesn't say cup, but I think, see, here it says 200, so I'm assuming that's like 1 cup. So I'm just going to use the 200 ml as a measurement. Okay. A little bit more. All right. So 200 ml, and then I'm just gonna put in. Here's the rice. By the way, the rice I'm using, it's a short grain rice. It's similar types of rice that you use to make sushi. So just FYI, I think if you use different kind of rice like long grain rice or basmati rice, it does have different, the rice itself would absorb the water differently. So this is just an example that I am doing right now for this kind of rice. And then I'm just gonna rinse it. I think you can rinse the rice once or twice. It's entirely up to you. Oh. So another black stuff. It looks like a bug. I need to check if my bag of rice have bugs in it. Okay. All right. And then I'm just gonna put it in. Hang on. Let me try it. And I'm just gonna put it in. And then here, you can see this area. It does have like, it says, this is actually saying rice. This is congee. Okay? Rice and congee. So congee means like porridge. If you put rice with a lot of water and then it becomes like porridge or congee. In the middle, it gives you an indication of how much water you should put. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how much water you should put if you want to cook rice. Okay, so for example, I'm putting 1 cup of rice right now. So my water level should be at the level of number 1 right here. And if I want to cook congee, if I put in 1 cup of rice, like here it says 1 cup of rice, and then I should put the water at this level, this much water, after I put in the rice, obviously. And so now because I put in 1 cup of rice, I'm just going to put water to level 1. So let me just put it in. So here you can see the water is at level 1. But personally, I like to have rice which is like softer and more moisturized. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Just because I like it. Just a little bit more. And then that's it. And that's put it on. Put the lid on. And here. Okay, so here you can see this one that's flashing, the first one. this actually says rice. So this is rice. This is like congee, multi-grain congee actually. It says, and then this one's beef and lamb. This one is chicken or duck. This is keep warm. And this one says soup. This one says low temperature cooking. It's not really like slow cook because I asked the customer service and then they said this one is would cook the food at 70 Celsius degrees for an hour or something. Yeah. And then this one says beans, and this one is like food, like feet, like chicken. No, sorry, not chicken feet, like pork feet. Yeah. This one, it's the hot pot mode. So you can leave the lid on. Well, you can leave the lid off and then just cook with this mode without putting the lid on. So it will be like a hot pot. Yeah. And this one is the freestyle, like your own choose. I think this one you have to use the app to decide what kind of program that you want to cook. And then as in this area, it says how much time it would take for the program to run. And so the button down here, the red one, it says start. Sorry, the button down here, the red button says start. And this one is cancel and choose. So now I can choose different programs up there. As you can see, when I go to soup, it immediately jumps to 30 minutes, right? So now I want to cook this one. That's rice. And here I can choose what kind of texture I want the rice to be. All right. I'm just gonna pop it right here because the lighting. Okay. And now it's at the third one. If I go back to the first one, it says chewy, kind of chewy. So if you choose this one, the temperature, the pressure will be in level 2, and that's the lowest pressure. And it says chewy, so if you choose this one to cook, the rice would not be so soft. And then when you press, it goes to level 3 for the pressure. And then level 4 would be medium. So medium, I guess just, medium texture. And then that's for level 4 and 5. And then when it goes to level 6 for the pressure, the rice should be soft. Okay. And then I think the pressure goes up to 7. Yeah. So 7 was the highest level of the pressure for the rice. And then I want it to be soft, but I don't want it to be too soft. So I'm just going to go with pressure level 6. And then I press, oopsie, sorry. And then I just press start. And then it's going to take 39 minutes to cook the rice. So yeah. And that's it. And then I'll show you guys what the rice could look like when it's done. Okay, so it's been 39 minutes and the pressure cooker just beeped, and that means it's already finished cooking. So I'm going to show you what it is. So it's keeping warm right now, as you can see here. And now the pressure knob, this red thingy, is still up, and you should not open it. And I think the safety lock will not allow you to open the lid unless the red button is the same level with the lid. So what you can do now, if you want to open it now, is to press this release pressure button and like this. So it goes like this. Or you can wait until this button is down. I think it would take maybe, I don't know, 15-20 minutes for the pressure to release naturally. Now I'm just gonna open it and then see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see now, this means the pressure is off. So now we can open it. Oh. All right. Yeah, it's fairly soft. This is how I want it actually. So this is great. Very fluffy rice. There you go. Soft and fluffy. And obviously I put extra water. So if you don't want to be this soft, if you prefer like hard rice, you can put a little bit less water than I do at the, you know, at the normal level as instructed by the pot right here. Or you could just choose the pressure level at, you know, I chose the one that's soft, and then there's medium and there's chewy, so you can choose the pressure according to your preference. And there you go. I was too hungry, so I ate the steak before the rice is cooked. So now I just need to find other stuff to match with this. A bit more. Because I just don't like washing extra dishes. This is the one I use. It's like a chili oil, Sichuan style. And I think even if you don't have this, you can just use any kind of chili oil. It's also very easy to make this at home. I just haven't really done it before. So just pour some in. It's not really that spicy, so I'm just gonna put a bit more, because I'm going to go with the rice. Oops. And then soy sauce. My mom told me I should put the soy sauce in the fridge. That's why I put the soy sauce in the fridge. But if your house is not particularly warm, I don't think you need to. I just listened to my mom. Oops. And then that's it. All right. Yummy. In the bowl. Like this. Back to the desk. Dig in. Oh, by the way, this is my view. Amazing day today. All right, I'm gonna eat now. Bye.